Ratu. Thus in Java, a royal palace is called Keraton, constructed from the circumfix Kayan and Ratu, to describe the residence of the Ratu. Ra is a prefix in many titles, and tu means simply chief. The formal use of Ratu as a title in a name was not introduced until after the session of 1874. Until then, a chief would be known only by his birth name and his area-specific traditional title. Regional variations include Ro in Riva and parts of Niteziri and Telvu, Roko in parts of Niteziri, Riva and Lao, Ra in parts of Vanva Lavu, particularly the province of Bua. In all those places, it is used as a title preceding the person's name, much like Prince, Duke, Earl, Baron, or Lord. The semantics, however, are a little different in Fijian, although the name and title are usually reversed. For example, in English, one would say His Royal Highness, Duke of York. In Fijian, one would say, Gon Turagana Joni Madrevivi. The Fijian nobility consists of about 70 chiefs, each of whom descends from a family that has traditionally ruled a certain area. The chiefs are of differing rank, with some chiefs traditionally subordinate to other chiefs. The Wusaratu clan is regarded as the highest chiefly clan, with regards to the people of Bau until the rise of the Tui Kaba clan leader, who exiled all Wusaratu members. They are the heirs of Ratu Saru Epenisa Kat Bau, the Wunivalu of Bau a Tui Levuka. He proclaimed himself, Tui Viti, King of Fiji, in 1871. He along with 12 high chiefs subsequently ceded the islands to the United Kingdom in 1874. Other prominent chiefly clans include the Vanireva and the Ai Soyula. During the colonial rule, the leader of the opposition, the presidency, vice presidency, and 14 senators are the only constitutional officers whose appointment is controlled by persons of chiefly rank. Chiefs in post-independence Fiji have always competed for parliamentary seats on an equal footing with commoners. In the years following independence, this favored the chiefly class, as the common people looked to them as their leaders and generally voted for them. For several elections, many ethnic Fijian members of the House, which is elected by universal suffrage, were of chiefly rank, but in recent elections, the discrepancy between chiefs and commoners is slowly narrowing, as commoners are becoming better educated and have begun to work their way into the power structure. The chiefs, however, retain enormous respect among the Fijian people. In times of crisis, such as the coups of 1987 and the third coup of 2000, the Great Council of Chiefs often stepped in to provide leadership when the modern political institutions have broken down.